Here's some of the main features of this Badger 40-volt brushless chainsaw. Multi-drive, high chain speed of 54 foot per second or 5,500 RPMs. Easy maintenance, features a 14-inch guide bar that is common and easy to maintain. Electric chain brake prevents accidental kickback and provides smooth operation. Automatic oiler and tool-free chain tensioning. And reliable customer service with a 3-year warranty. Overall, this chainsaw did exactly what I wanted it to do. I need to do more with the chainsaw to give a real good opinion on it, but I like what I see so far. It's easy to use. The best of all, it's battery operated. I don't have to mess with mixing oil and gas and all that stuff. It's environmentally better, and it performed on that old stump that I cut out perfectly. I couldn't ask for much better results. Granted, it's brand new, the chain is very sharp, and it was just easy to operate, and that's what I'm looking for in a chainsaw. I'm not a person that uses a chainsaw every day, but when I need one, I just want to pick it up and go. And this is going to accomplish that for me. I will say, with the 40-volt battery, it is a little on the heavy side for as small as it is, but I guess that's what you get for a battery. I wouldn't say it's heavier than a gas-powered chainsaw at its comparable size, but I would say it's at least the same weight. I don't know the exact weight or anything, but it felt a little heavy for me for as small as it is. But the operation of it was nice and smooth, and I felt it ramping up when it needed to. I think that's part of the multi-drive, so if it feels like it's pulling a little bit more voltage or wattage or whatever, it kicks into another gear, and it just makes it run smoother and gives you that little extra kick when you need it. And when I was hitting that stump out there, I really felt that kick in. On some of the small ones, I didn't notice it so much, but if I left it on for a long period or a longer period of cut, it definitely kicked in, and it made it a whole lot nicer. I can feel the power kicking in. So the power's there when you need it, and the power's not there when you don't need it. So I would assume that would give you better battery life. I can't speak to the battery life at this moment, but I used it for about a half hour solidly, and it was perfectly fine. So in my opinion, thumbs up. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick up this Badger 40-volt chainsaw. Alright, now that small task is done, in the very near future, we gotta tackle this bastard. It's not all coming down, but a good chunk right in there. Kind of needs to be trimmed up a little. That is for a cooler day.